What is the difference between a $700 HP Designjet printer and a $1,900 HP Designjet printer? Stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey you guys, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and today I wanted to talk to you about several different HP Designjet printers, starting with a entry-level HP Designjet printer and going all the way up to a higher level HP Designjet printer priced at $700 entry level, and then once we get to that higher HP Designjet printer, we're going to be at about $1,900. We're going to be talking about a few different specifications because most of the other specifications are pretty much the same. So the feature we're going to be focusing on as we go up the ladder with these printers is we want to know what the paper size is, how long, how wide can these printers print, and we want to know the speed at which they're able to print. Now there are going to be links for all of the printers I end up talking about in this video, so you can pause the video at any time, go down to the description box, you can check out some more of the features, specifications, and you can also make a purchase through those links. And when you make a purchase through those links, you help support this channel and you help me make more content like this. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so one note before we get started with the very first printer is that these are all thermal inkjet printers. These are not laser printers. These are not standard inkjet printers. This is a thermal inkjet printer. And so this is going to be a more advanced version of the inkjet printer. So the first printer that we have is the HP Designjet T210. Now this printer is priced at $700. This is our entry-level printer, and the size that we can print with this printer, the wider format, is 24 inches wide. The speed at which this printer can print, and the way that HP comes up with this number is using a standard paper size, and so but that's the best way that we can figure out when you're printing larger formats as well. That speed is 1.3 pages per minute. We now move along to the HP T230. Now this is one level above the T210. So your paper size on this printer, again, the wider format is what we're going by, 24 inches. And the speed is a little bit faster. So you have a 1.7 pages per minute speed on this printer. A quick word from today's sponsor. Now, if you currently have an inkjet printer that is giving you issues with printing, you're printing blank pages, not able to print a certain color, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you're gonna wanna use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. There are a ton of videos on this channel showing you how to use this product. Basically, what this product does is it cleans out the print heads so that you're able to get back up and printing normally in no time. There's gonna be a link for this product down in the description below. At any time, you can pause this video, go down there, click the link, and come back and watch the rest of this video. Alright, so after the T230, we have the HP Designjet T630. This printer is priced at about $1,300. You do have a stand with this printer, at least as it's advertised. And now I do have to say the model number on this, aside from the T630, is 5HB09A. That's important because one of the other printers we're going to be looking at is a T630, but it has a different model number it's a different faction of the T630. Now the paper size for this printer, the max paper size, is also 24 inches, but then you get bumped up on the speed and you have a speed of 2 pages per minute. So you get that whole 2 pages instead of the 1.7, or you have the 1.3, you're up to 2 pages per minute on this printer at this price point of $1,300. Now we move to the HP Designjet T650. Now with the HP Designjet T650, the max paper size is 24 inches, but now you get up to 2.3 pages per minute on the speed. This printer, of course, is around $1,400. There is a 36-inch version of this printer, so you can, instead of printing 24 inches, you can print 36 inches. And this link will be down below as well. This is the HP Designjet T650, but this is the BH510H. All right, and so finally we have the HP Designjet T630, but it's not the T630 that we just talked about. This is the T630 5HB11A. So this is the 36-inch wide paper size Designjet printer, and your print speed is that whole 2 pages per minute at that size. And so we've made it to the $1,900 HP Designjet printer. Again, all of the links are in the description below for these printers. All right, so the reason why I included the HP Designjet T650, the $2,200 one, is that printer is going to give you faster printing speeds, and it's going to give you 36 inches. So this printer is actually going to be better than the T630 that's at 36 inches, because this one only prints at 2 pages per minute. So the difference that you get with the price that you're paying for these HP Designjet printers is that you are getting wider formats as you go along. A lot of them are the same at that 24 inches, but really the main difference is the speed at which you're able to print. So you're gonna be able to finish your projects a lot sooner, the more money you spend. So if it's more important for you to have speed and have that a little bit of an edge and a little bit of a faster project turnaround when it comes to printing, you're gonna wanna spend more money on an HP Designjet printer. But if that doesn't really matter to you, you should really stick around that $700 to $1,000 price range, because you're getting pretty much all of the features that you would need. There are, of course, all the different attachments that you can put on and the different care packages that you can start out with, and those are more expensive. But really, when you look at the core of what it is that you're getting, which is what really matters, is the size and the speed. You need to make sure of those two things. Do you want something that's a lot faster? Do you need a faster project turnaround time? Do you need a wider format than 24 inches? Then you need to spend some more money. But if you don't need to go that high, or you don't foresee that you would have to go that high on the size, and you don't need a faster printing speed, stay in the lower budgets. But when you do need those higher features, there are some really great options. It is a bit more pricey, but you will be getting what you need as far as speed and size. Of course, you have a lot of different features, and I'm sure there's other little features as you go up in the price that you get that the lower HP Designjets don't have. But really, the most important and the bulk of the features are those 2 categories that I talked about here in this video. Alright, so again, remember, there are product links for each one of these printers. Now, of course, there are other HP Designjet printers and other wider format printers such as these. And so I'm going to be coming out with more videos in regards to these types of printers, these larger format printers. If you have any suggestions, make sure to comment below. I will take those into consideration for future videos. Alright, so that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.